Kurumirira mugururio urio koretwo gitafanio kaunti-ini ya Naikuru wa kuhurana na njohi cia ibango makiria ma rita 3,000 ni irahithukirio mwena wa Kaptembwa kaunti-ini iyo.
Tunashukuru serikali wetu kupitia kwa DC wetu, kupitia kwa chief, kupitia kwa manyumba 10, kupitia wananchi wenye wako na nia mzuri na area hii yetu, ndio wamefanya tuweze kufanikiwa na kupata hizi vitu.
Akimenereria wedio cio munini wa commissioner wa borithi Elmi Shafi ni ugite ni meguthurima maratathi mothe ma kuhura biacara cia wendia wa njohi irabu-ini mwena ucio niguo aria megukorwo na marua ni matia watho wa kwaga kwenderia muingi njohi cia ibango undumwe na dawa cia kurebia.
We have got information from members of the public that persons who are running pubs, conventional pubs, are now converting to miti ni dawa or other illicit brew dens, and we have come here to demolish the den, assisted by administration officers and members of the public, and we have found several thousands of liters here of miti ni dawa and other substances.
Shafi niongereire kuga ciiko cia wikinae ni ciongererekete na gikiro kinene muno kuri mbeu njithi aria meingiranitie na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurebia undumwe na unyui wa njohi cia ibango.
We have assault cases here, and part of the assault cases the result from youths who are engaged in illicit brew drinking. And I'm sure if you agree with me, these two dens here, if we deal with them, there will be no more assault over the weekend.
Aikari amwe no cio ni macokeirie ngatho maobitha borithi ni gutabania mugururio cio wa kunina kaimana uhuthiri na wendia wa njohi cio undumwe na dawa cia kurebia na kuria aria othe mekunyitikana na mahitia matacukirio makinya marumu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.